It's late, the room is quiet, but your mind isn't. Suddenly, a conversation from years ago feels alive again. A message you sent earlier now sounds wrong. A look someone gave you now feels loaded with meaning. And no matter how tired you are, your thoughts refuse to let you rest. Why does your brain choose the night, the darkest, quietest part of the day to replay everything? During the day, you are busy, you are moving, responding, solving, distracting yourself. There is noise, there are people, there is motion. But at night, all of that fades. No notifications, no conversations, no task demanding attention. And in the silence, something interesting happens. Your mind finally has space. And what fills that space is everything you didn't fully process during the day. Your brain isn't randomly attacking you at night. It is actually doing something very natural. Throughout the day, your attention is directed outward, towards the world. But at night, attention turns inward. Psychologists sometimes describe this as a shift from external awareness to internal awareness. And internal awareness brings up unfinished conversations, unanswered questions, social doubts, emotional uncertainties. Things that felt small during the day feel bigger in the dark because there is nothing competing with them anymore. There is another reason night overthinking feels heavier. The human brain has something called the negativity bias. It is a built-in tendency to focus more on mistakes, threats, embarrassment, rejection, regret. Why? Because historically, noticing danger kept us alive. Your brain is designed to remember what went wrong more vividly than what went right. So when the day ends, your mind hardly replays your successes. It replays your uncertainties. Many night thoughts revolve around people. It might be what you said, how you sounded, what they might have meant. This happens because humans are deeply social beings. For most of our history, belonging to the group meant survival. So your brain constantly monitors. Did I fit in? Did I offend? Did I look foolish? Am I accepted? At night, that social monitoring system runs simulations, replaying interactions, testing interpretations, searching for threat. It feels like self-criticism, but at its core, it is self-protection. There is also a physiological layer. At night, fatigue increases, emotional regulation drops, perspective narrows. When you are tired, your brain has less energy to challenge negative interpretations. So thoughts become more absolute. A small mistake becomes humiliation, uncertainty becomes rejection, ambiguity becomes meaning. Night doesn't create insecurity, it magnifies it. If you overthink at night, it usually means one thing: you care. You care about how you are seen, you care about connection, you care about meaning, you care about getting things right. Overthinking is often awareness without reassurance. Your mind searching for certainty in a world that rarely gives it. So what helps? Not fighting thoughts, not shaming yourself, not forcing silence, but understanding what is happening. When night thoughts appear, you can remind yourself, this is my mind reviewing the day, this is fatigue amplifying emotion, this is social memory replay. Not reality, not verdict, not absolute truth, just processing. Your mind isn't turning against you at night. It is trying, imperfectly, to protect you from mistakes, from rejection, from disconnections. It just happens to speak in a language of worry. And once you understand that, the noise becomes easier to see.